Are you ready to copy videos from Chinese apps and re-upload them on YouTube to make $20,000 per month? Look at my analytics. I've just monetized a brand new channel using only copied and pasted videos. But before I show you my earnings, take a look at this channel that copies videos from Chinese apps, and they are making over $20,000 per month. Wait, doesn't this sound familiar? You've probably come across one of these videos on YouTube, and if you haven't, here's a quick recap. There are many YouTubers who show you how to download a Chinese app called Kuaishou, then copy videos from this app and upload them on YouTube to make $20,000 per month. They all use the same app and reference the same channels as examples in their videos. To finish it off, they are all making shorts about animals and funny moments. It can't just be a coincidence, right? But let's be honest, this strategy was a goldmine for early creators. However, as more people started similar channels, the market became oversaturated with animal and funny shorts. This made it challenging for new creators to stand out and achieve the same level of success. Now, listen, 2 months ago when I was scrolling on YouTube, this body cam video caught my attention. I watched the whole video, then opened the channel, and I was shocked that all the videos on this channel are not their own. Then I searched for more body cam channels, and I was shocked that all the channel's videos are not their own because these videos are shooted by the camera of different people, and a lot of channels are copying and uploading the videos to the channel and easily printing $10,000 to $20,000 per month. So I thought, why not create a similar channel for myself? Step 1, setting up the channel. Okay, our channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT for 100 YouTube channel names. There are so many to choose from. One stands out, Crime Stories Body Cam. For our profile picture, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, a powerful AI art generator and free option. Let's generate a Crime Stories logo. To finish it up, we need a banner. I'll design a banner using our new logo in Canva. The channel branding is all done by AI. Step 2, downloading videos. Now my channel is ready. It's time to download videos from other channels to my computer. Let's open a new tab and search for a YouTube video downloader. I'm using Save from Net to download videos to my computer. All you have to do is copy the video link from YouTube and paste the link into the input box, then click on the download button. Similarly, I've downloaded 30 videos to my computer. Step 3, editing videos. Now, instead of just copying and uploading videos, we need to cut boring parts from the videos and add auto captions using CapCut. To do that, let's open a new tab and search for Download CapCut. Open the first link and click on Download CapCut. Once I've downloaded and installed CapCut on my computer, I'll open it, click on Create Project, then click on Import to upload the video we just downloaded from YouTube. Now click on the video and drag it to the timeline. To cut the boring parts from the video, it's not rocket science. I'll remove parts I find boring using the split button. I've removed all the boring parts from the video this way. Now we need to add captions. Click on the text button at the top left corner, then click on auto captions, click on generate, and CapCut AI will automatically generate captions for free. To edit the captions, select all of them, then go to the right side, scroll down, and click on background. Well, you'll see our captions now have a black background. I want it red, so I'll click on color and make it red. It looks too bright, so I'll reduce the opacity to 80%. We've now removed the boring parts from the video and added captions. We're ready to export the video. But wait, some of you might also want to add logos to your videos. To do this, click on the import button, then upload your logo. Drag the logo to the timeline, click on it, and adjust its position on your screen. I'd like it at the top left corner of the video. Once you've added the logo, click on Export at the top right corner of the editor. Enter the name of your file, make sure the resolution is at least 1080p, then click on the Export button. I've edited all 30 videos I downloaded from YouTube in this way. Now I have videos ready to upload to my new channel and schedule for the next 3 months. We'll see if I can monetize the channel and earn money from it. Step 4, uploading videos. Now I need to upload the videos. Just go to YouTube, click on your profile, then YouTube Studio. Now click on the Create button, then Upload Videos. Select the videos and upload them all. I've unlisted the videos for now because I need titles, descriptions, and tags. And to generate that, open a new tab and search for TubeMagic. Open this AI tool and I'll log into my account. Once logged in, there are a bunch of advanced AI tools for your channel, like ideation tools, script writing, and optimization. We need to click on Optimization, then from here we can generate titles, descriptions, and tags. To generate a title, click Video Titles, then copy the link of the video that you have uploaded to the channel and paste the link here. Now click on Generate and boom, AI has generated the titles. Now to generate a description, go back to the tools and open Video Descriptions. Paste the link. From here, you can select how many words you want in the description. I'd like it to be 200. Now click on Generate and boom, AI has generated a 200-word SEO optimized description. This means your video will rank high in YouTube search and Google search engine. Finally, go back to the tools and click on Video Tags. Paste the link and click on Generate, and boom, your title, description, and tags are all done by AI. Now paste them into the video details and publish the video. Step 5, thumbnail. Now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. To do that, open the video and take a screenshot of any interesting part. You can watch the reference channels to see how they did it. Then open Canva and click on YouTube thumbnail. Click on Upload to upload your screenshot, then drag it to the editor. You can also add an arrow by clicking on Elements and searching for red arrow. Drag the arrow to the editor and adjust its position on the screen. Now click on Text. You can write text similar to what you see on reference channels videos that have already gotten millions of views. Just copy from them because it has already worked. Take your time to create your thumbnail. When you're finished, click on Share and download the thumbnail from there. Step 6, My Earnings. Now it's time to show you my earnings. Before that, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So guys, so far I've uploaded 33 videos on my channel. I've got over 200k views, 1,000 subscribers, and my channel is monetized. So far, I've earned $95 in my first 20 days. And if you want to know how I monetize my channel so fast, click on the next video on your screen where I'll explain my secret formula for going viral on YouTube.